Good morning, children. Let's start with our new chapter of life skills and value education. But before starting it, I want to ask you one question. Can we live without water? Let's find out its answer by reading the chapter number 5, Save Water. So, let's get started. Water is very important for all living beings. We use water for drinking, cooking food, bathing, cleaning, and for many other purposes. Animals need water for drinking and bathing. Plants need water to make food for themselves and for other living beings. Students, here you can see the uses of water. We use water for drinking, cooking food, putting out fire, bathing, and washing clothes. Animals also need water to live. Thus, life cannot exist on the earth without water. We can live without water for a few weeks, but we cannot live without water even for a few days. Unfortunately, in many parts of our country, people face lots of difficulties due to shortage of water. They have to walk for many miles every day to fetch drinking water. What is fetch? It means to go for and bring back something for someone. Here you can see the women have collected water from river and taking back to home. That is why we should all conserve water and we should not let even a drop of water go waste. Let's understand this by reading the following story. Let us read this story to know the importance of water. There was a large kingdom near a hill. Kingdom means a country that is ruled by a king or a queen. The king had a council of ministers. The main advisor to the king was a very intelligent man, Balraj. One day the king asked his courtiers, "Tell me, what is it which is most precious and invaluable thing on the earth?" Precious means a thing not to be wasted. A courtier said, "My lord, I think gold is the most important, precious thing on the earth." The other courtier said, "Sorry sir, I think diamond is most precious." Students, courtiers are the persons who attend a court as an advisor to the king. Here you can see two courtiers are sitting. Some other courtiers said, "Money is more valuable than gold or diamond." The king was not satisfied. He asked Balraj, "Whose answer do you find correct?" Student, as the king was not satisfied by any of his courtiers' answers, he asked his most intelligent courtier to answer his question, whose name was Balraj. Let's read what Balraj replied. Balraj said, "My lord, according to me, no one is correct. I believe that water is the most precious thing on the earth." The king became furious. Furious means extremely angry. He said, "How foolish! Diamond is the most precious thing. Almighty God had given us plenty of water in the form of rivers, pools, tanks, etc. And you say water is the most precious thing? I do not agree with you." The king asked him to prove his point. Balraj said that he would prove his point at the right time. A few days later, the king decided to go for hunting. He took Balraj along with him. Balraj arranged for everything that was required. The king chased and hunted animals the whole day. Now the king was feeling tired. He asked Balraj to arrange a place where he could relax. Balraj arranged a place and made him comfortable. Children, the king was very tired after hunting animals for whole day and he required some rest now. Balraj arranged an appropriate place where the king could take rest. The king hadn't had a single drop of water throughout the day. He had been so busy hunting. He asked Balraj to arrange some drinking water for him. But Balraj, instead of bringing water for him, presented the king with a tray full of diamonds. The king became very angry with him. He said, "I'm dying of thirst and you are playing jokes on me? What shall I do with these diamonds? Throw them away and bring some water for me." Students, the king was very thirsty because he did not even drink a single drop of water since morning. And when Balraj brought diamonds instead of water, king became very angry. But still Balraj replied politely. Balraj said, "My lord, I have proved my point. Now I need not tell you how precious the water is." He gave him water. The king drank the water and quenched his thirst. Quenched means satisfy one's thirst by drinking. Now he had understood the water was most precious thing. So students, do you come to know why you are always advised to save water? Because water is very precious and we should not waste even single drop of water. So the answer of our question is, we cannot live without water. It's very precious, so save water, save earth. This is for all now. Now we will meet next with our next topic. Goodbye.